We're looking for someone who is self-motivated, creative, and energetic, who can think out of the box, can take a project and understand the full scope and run with it.
Hello, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries, and we're looking for somebody special. We're looking for a tool maker to join us in what has been a 27-year odyssey. And I thought if you had a chance to see the type of people you'd be working with, the type of people who run this place, that certainly the right person is going to know that this is the place they should be.
Hi, I'm Alex Villalobos.
My name is Duncan Doman.
Hey, how you doing today? My name is Garrett Cawthorn.
Justin Terrio.
I'm Steve Vonderpont, the tooling manager here at Ash Industries.
And I've been working with Ash Industries for 5 years.
For 7 years.
Almost a year.
For 6 years now.
Over 17 years.
I like the people and the work environment.
I love the variety of jobs I get to do.
It's kind of like a small family around here, so it's nice to come and spend my day with most of the guys in the tool shop.
The on-the-job learning I get to do as well. I learn from master tool makers, engineers.
27 years ago we started Ash Industries, and at the time it was just injection molding. We made medical devices, optical fiber connectors for laser surgical tools, but it quickly became apparent after a few years that we needed our own tool makers, because we were having a hard time finding the people who had the flexibility and the foresight to build molds the way that we knew we needed in order to make customers happy. And so we started the Ash Industries Tool Group, and now we've got a lot of people running around here, a lot of talented people, a lot of good equipment.
We are using grinders, CNC mills, lathes, TIG welding, sinker EDM, high-speed CNC milling machines like the one behind me.
And we make all manner of injection mold tools for silicone, thermoplastic, metal injection molded material. We also have a rotational molding group, and we have engineers that are the best around.
Straight open and closed tools, side action, cams, rotating cores, hydraulics. All of our tools are tool steel, whether it's P20, hardened H13, S7, single cavity, multi-cavity, family tools.
We need a talented tool maker. We need somebody who can work independently. The truth is that everybody here has a job, and we don't have enough people to micromanage your work.
We're not micromanaging.
Pretty much left to your own devices. We all work hard, from the guy that's on the shipping dock, to the person running a machine, to the person in the office. Nobody is sitting around idle.
We want our tool makers to have pride in their work.
Enjoy that. With each new day, we're given a new task, and with each task, we're given a new piece of area to grow in.
We're in Louisiana, sportsman's paradise. Today's Friday, and we have people who left here to go hunting, to go fishing, people who are going biking and rock climbing and road tripping. This is a fun place to be, and Lafayette is one of the fastest growing cities in America. It was named just a few years ago the happiest city in America. Every time you turn around, there's a festival, there's something going on, and there's a lot of good people who live here. So if you're looking for a fast-paced company with a lot going on, a wide variety of activities, and a chance to hone your skills and work with some pretty neat people and neat equipment, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you.